If you want to insert a memory card into Redmi 15, then first of all you need to prepare an eject tool that you can find inside the box, or anything that is sturdy enough that can go into this hole over here on the left side of the device. So here we have the SIM tray hole, and we need to insert our eject tool into that hole, and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Next, we're gonna remove it with our hand, like so. And now we need to make sure that we are using the correct side. This is the front. We can recognize it by looking at this text. And this bigger slot that we have here is the memory card slot. So now we can just put it in. We have to be careful because these slots are really loose, so it's easy to drop and lose either the SIM card or a memory card. But once it is in, we can insert it back into the phone, into the SIM tray slot. There we go. And unfortunately, it didn't go fully in, so I have to redo this. Let me just try that again. We need to make sure that it is actually fully in. And yeah, unfortunately, it is really, really loose. So it's really easy to mess it up. And let's see if it actually can go in this time. There we go. And it actually went in. So yeah, it is definitely possible. Make sure that the SIM tray is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. If you cannot insert it properly back into the phone, then it means that probably you will have to fix the memory card. I mean, you will have to just take it out and insert it again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.